Hi, I'm Clark Woolstenhulme. I work for ADI on our ovrc remote monitoring platform. You can see the main dashboard of a site. I have a sports bar demo here. And what ovrc allows you to do is you can connect directly to many of our exclusive, our house brand products such as Wattbox, Arachnus, Luma, Episode. But also, if you use one of our Arachnus routers, Control 4 controllers, or the small ovrc hub, that device will pull the network with common discovery protocols and discover all the devices on your network. So you can see here that this facility has 30 some odd devices on it, and I can get a quick view which ones have disappeared off the network. Maybe they've been disconnected or they're having trouble. And ovrc itself allows me to dive in and, for example, look at this router and see what's up with it. Oh, it needs a firmware update. I can see this is a new feature where it's getting its power, and I have quick access to a power cycle button, and I can see where it's getting or sending its internet. And of course, each device will have specific features. So in the case of this router, we've got the client table. ovrc gives you visibility into all of our house brand products, and then some third-party products also have tight integrations where you can configure them for their specific functionality. Of course, Wattbox is one of our other key products, so I can reboot outlets, see all my outlets, connect my devices here. So thank you. This is ovrc. You can find it at ovrc.com. You can create a free account, go to ADI, grab a Pro Hub, and install that on a problematic project and see how it gives you visibility and ability to solve problems. Thanks.